Assalamu alaikum, good evening everyone. It's my great pleasure to welcome our esteemed CEO and Director of Toyota Chiltan Motors to this special employee engagement event. We are truly honored by your presence. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all our staff for being here today. This gathering is very important for all of us. It's a chance to come together, connect beyond work and strengthen our team spirit. Especially thanks to TZM team for organizing this wonderful event. Your hard work and planning are truly appreciated. I also want to thank the management for their continued support in making this happen, especially for CEO Bashir Malik San and Director Jahan Malik San. Tonight we have a fun evening planned. We will begin with a gaming session to get everyone energized and involved, followed by a delicious dinner for all to enjoy. Let's make the most of this evening and celebrate our teamwork and unity. Thank you and let the fun begin. Thank you so much.